This is one time of the year when all my family put aside their differences, and trust me, we have. Like, a Nigerian family mixed with different races, there's a lot of conflict, there's a lot of drama, like everyone basically hates each other. Just so beautifully wrapped. You know, English people, they know how to wrap presents. Okay, actually I'm going to open this one first. So this is a little small present. I think it's lipstick from Chanel. It feels like Chanel packaging. How did I know? How can I know what Chanel packaging feels like? I knew it was lipstick from Chanel. I just knew it was lipstick from Chanel. This is absolutely lovely. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'd film a video on what I got up to at Christmas. This is one time of the year when all my family put aside their differences, and trust me, we have. Like, a Nigerian family mixed with different races, there's a lot of conflict, there's a lot of drama, like everyone basically hates each other. But Christmas Day is about eating and spending time with the family, and also celebrating the birth of the Lord Jesus Christ. So I'm just going to show you what I got up to, and yeah, there was some dramas, but you know, this is just a normal everyday family. So let's see what we got up to. Hi guys, so I'm just going to show you what we get up to on Christmas. Like, I got some auntie slate, just got here, it's like 3. But yeah, I'm going to show you what we get up to, what we eat. I'm going to have breakfast now, even though it's like 3 in the afternoon. And then like normally we just chill, we have Christmas dinner, my cousins play football, and we just have a really good time. Obviously, I'm last minute, so I'm still wrapping up some gifts. But guys are playing football. I'm not going to zoom into their faces because no one's actually had a bath. And then we've got the Christmas tree. Tremaine, why is your accent changing? Okay, cool. Bouji and Plumstead is going off. So I'm just having breakfast. My cousins have already had theirs, but because I was late, like, I'm gonna have mine now. So I love having like a green tea for breakfast. My cousins are making fun of me in the background. Anyway, so I'm just gonna have my breakfast.
Got sellotape on this, so I'm really happy with that. Writing, he said that wasn't last minute, so that's really nice. I'm gonna go shop.
Keep open the present, Tremaine. Merry Christmas.
I told you.
Why are you acting?
Oh my god! Because I didn't want to spend the money myself. Oh yeah! Oh, Tom. I feel really bad now.
Why? Because my present is shit.
That's what you answer.
Is the Kat Von D. Yes, we can. In 2018, I'm gonna slay for y'all people. So basically, this is the reality of my. I don't know why I haven't taken off my jacket. I'm just so cozy. But yeah, this is the reality of my Christmas morning. So I've just had my breakfast, and now I'm editing a vlog that's going to go live now. I'm just editing this I Saw It First vlog, and then we're probably going to have some Christmas dinner and then get into the real family games. I just made myself a gin and tonic with Gordon's pink gin. Just put a cucumber and a lime in it.
Yeah, I stuffed it with pineapple and fish.
Who does that?
Who does that?
Pineapple, mum.
Mum, I mean, Auntie, what do you do?
I don't know what you're doing. Go and check it out. You put fish in a jerky.
So obviously it's a family classic that we watch EastEnders on Christmas Day. Why is the TV wonky? But yeah, can you guys be quiet so I can
Sorry Tonique, we don't want to make noise as you're vlogging.
Yeah, thanks. Vlogging. Vlogging is with the written.
From the top, start again.
Okay, yeah.
Tonique, go again.
No.
Bang.
Excuse me for the lack of makeup, and then I finally got a gift from my mum, so let's open it. I don't know how I'm going to open it with one hand.
It's actually
quite easy. Necklace
exactly. I didn't want to watch it because
No one
everybody else
cares.
was different.
at all.
Like, seriously. Your head is just in the camera.
And then oh, can you see me? Can you see myself? And then I got some earrings. How cute is that? Trey, can you take the shot? Because you interjected. Yeah. Take the shot right now.
I'm busting.
Yeah, that's all right. Happy Christmas to you, mate. Concentration. Keep the rhythm. Keep the rhythm to the beat.
See you online, going night.
Oh shit. That's what I was gonna say. Vodka.
Whiskey. 5.
4, 3. What?
Cactus the drink there.
So hard for you to
Hello 5.
Have a concert.
J.
Take the drink.
Reindeer.
What?
Reindeer.
Okay, Jesus with that reindeer. Santa Claus with that reindeer. We out here with that reindeer. We on this with that reindeer. You really got reindeer. You know what's for them reindeer. If you really want to see a reindeer, yeah, come out here for that reindeer. I said, what? Reindeer. You really got reindeer. Really want reindeer. You bang for them reindeer. You really get reindeer. Jesus and God.
So obviously it's not Christmas now. It's like, but I thought I'd show you some of the gifts that I got gifted. So let's start unboxing my gifts. So the first one was from my friend Dina. Oh my god, there's a random cookie. I don't think she gave me this cookie. I don't know why it's in there. But yeah, the first gift is from my friend Dina. Look how beautifully wrapped that is. And I'm so happy because she's been living in between Bahrain and London, and she's finally living in London for good. So we're going to spend so much time. I don't know if you've seen her in some of my previous vlogs, but she's like one of my closest friends, and she's been there through the really good times and the like really dark times. So she said she got me a gift that I would love and I wanted, and it's something sentimental from her country. I think it's perfume, because I always say to her how much I love like oud. So yeah, she said it's something that you can't buy in the UK. This is beautifully wrapped. I don't think Dina wrapped this. I think she got someone to wrap this, because I can't imagine her sitting here wrapping this. Let's see what it is. Oh, I've just ruined this wrapping paper. Yes, I knew it was going to be this. So she got me incense sticks. And these are incense sticks from Bahrain, I think. Oh, it's from Dubai. Dubai? I don't want to butcher the name. Azfanzik Dokanu are pleased to offer the world's first sustainable produced, cultivated agar wood products grown in plantations and home gardens by farmers. Sustainable agar wood is grown and produced using patented green technology. Is providing a new economy to some of the world's poorest people. Oh wow, okay, so it's like made in the EU, made in the UAE. But this is really sentimental. I know it's not nothing like extravagant, but it's just like something that I love. I love like scents, and I've been saying to her like I really want like some original scents from her country. So thank you, Dina, much appreciated. This is from Cara, so she's also a brand manager that I work with. It's to Tonique, Merry Christmas, love Cara. So cute. She said oh wait, she told me to open this carefully. She was like, knowing you're just gonna demolish it, you need to open it carefully. So I got Cara like some things. I hope she liked it. I think it was very her, but I don't know. Mine and her tastes are very different. This is so beautifully wrapped. There's another present in here. This is so beautifully wrapped. You know, English people, they know how to wrap presents. So this is like a Christmas cracker, and it says Tonique. Okay, actually I'm going to open this one first. So this is a little small present. I think it's lipstick from Chanel. It feels like Chanel packaging. How did I know? How can I know what Chanel packaging feels like? I knew it was lipstick from Chanel. I just knew it was lipstick from Chanel. This is absolutely lovely. Yes, Cara, a deep purple. Like, I love Cara. I love that friends know you. I knew, like, as soon as I felt, I was like, oh my god, this feels like Chanel packaging. I don't know how I could feel the packaging through the actual paper. That's so weird. But yeah, this is the colour. and it's the colour Elegante. So me. I love Cara for this. Like, this is so me. Present is me to a T. I love you, Cara, if you're watching this. I know you don't watch my vlogs, but yeah. And then let's just pull the cracker. Oh, I don't want to ruin it. I think I'm just gonna like get it out. Try and get it out because I don't want to ruin the cracker. This is hilarious. I'm sorry, I love English people. They give the best presents ever. Like, Oyinbos, they give the best presents ever. They just know a way to your heart. Listen, this present is so thoughtful. She got me, like, my favourite drink is a gin and tonic, or a gin and tonic with elderflower. And she got me a gin and tonic flavoured lip balm. Like, girl, I love Cara. Thank you, Cara, from the department managers. And this is the card, and it says, to Tonique, Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year. 2000. Oh, it's actually not a generic message. Okay, I love when they're not generic. 2017 has been a great learning year for you and great success with your blogging. 2018 will be a great year. Love, Sarah and Natasha. That is so cute. I love when messages are like heartfelt. We ended up getting them a present in the end. And another thing, so they got me Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, and this is the colour. So I think it's a matte red, and the colour is Walk of Shame, which I think is hilarious because I don't do it anymore, but I'll be doing those Walk of Shames back in the day. And then they didn't realise, but they got me salted caramel truffles, which I can't eat because I might get the shits. I should have left it at my auntie's house and put it on the tree. Okay, maybe not, but yeah, that's that. And then I got a present from Frame, and I have been wanting this blazer. I know wearing this blazer with this jumper is not going to do it justice, but I mean, we can try. How cute is this blazer? How cute is this blazer? Oh my god, I might wear it today. Yeah, I'm gonna wear it today. Yeah. How cute is this blazer? This blazer is everything. So I thought I would change into the blazer so I can show you what it kind of looks like on. And I think this blazer is everything. I love it. I just want to thank Frame for actually giving me a nice gift. And lastly, this was a gift from some of the colleagues at work, Martina and Camilla, which I love them, they're so cute. And she was like, if it's too bling bling, you can exchange it, but I'm not going to exchange it. I'm actually going to probably wear it tomorrow. And it's just like a little diamond bracelet, but to be honest, they're kind of like my favourite girls, so I will wear it with pride. I think this is so cute, and I think it's so thoughtful of them to buy a gift. They bought me and the other brand manager, Cara, a gift, and I just thought it was so thoughtful of them. And they were being so sly. They were like, oh, we need to go downstairs and collect something. So I think that's so cute of them. Yeah, guys, that's all my Christmas presents done. So I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember, guys, to always stay, what? Bougie.